Here's I will show you how to disable notifications for secure folder in Samsung Galaxy or any Android device. First of all, go ahead and open your secure folder, verify your secure folder lock, and now tap on this three dot from secure folder and tap on settings, and you directly jump into secure folder settings. Here tap on notifications. Now tap on app notifications. Here you will find all of your secured apps. Now all you have to need, go ahead and disable app notifications from here. For example, I don't want to get any notifications from secure folder contacts app, so I'm just turning off notification for contacts app. And here's another way to disable secure folder notification. For example, I want to disable notification for gallery secure, so I'm just long pressing on gallery app and tapping on this info button. Here I'm tapping on notifications and just turning off notification for gallery secure app. And this is how we can actually do it.